What is up, fellow Pyro Fanatics? Pimp Daddy 28 here, and today I'm going to show you guys a demo video of a 500-gram cake called Botanical Blast by AFW. It's a 24-shot cake, and I believe this cake is new for 2020. And the effects are on the side over here, along with the performance. So we got 24 shots. Duration is 20 seconds. This is an angled cake. We got, for the effects, we got strobes, mines, palms, comets, waves, and pistils. And the colors are white, gold, green, purple, red, blue, and silver. And for the performance, we got white strobe, mine to gold palm with red tip comet, purple wave with white strobe pistil, white strobe mine to gold palm with green tip comet, blue wave with white strobe pistil, white strobe mine to gold palm with purple tip comet, and silver wave with white strobe pistil. And here are the pictures of the effects. And that is pretty much it. So once again, Botanical Blast by AFW, 24 shots. And let's see how this cake performs. Okay, we got Botanical Blast by AFW. Oh, nice. Oh, that's nice. Nice cake.